A happy family enjoys a winter adventure in the snowy forest.
Wow! Everything is white!
Snow, family, winter. Emma finds a new friend.
A beautiful fox!
Hello, friends.
Fox, hello, friend.
My name is Frost.
Nice to meet you!
Name, nice meet. A snowstorm is coming.
Follow me quickly!
Storm, sky.
I can't see! Stay together.
Wind, wind, together.
We trust you!
Don't stop, follow. Trust, walk. Come inside.
It's warm!
Cave, warm, inside. The family rests safely.
Thank you, Frost. Rest.
Thank you, warm. Good evening.
Hello, Owl!
Owl, evening, hello.
Repeat after me.
Fox!
Learn, repeat, smile.
Snow! Ice!
Forest,
Tree.
Forest!
forest, nature.
The sun is back!
Bright, happy.
Let's go home.
Home.
Home, path, walk.
You're our hero.
Friends help friends. Hero, help, friend. Kindness is powerful.
Kindness. Kindness.
Love, care.
We'll come back!
We promise.
I'll be waiting.
Promise. Visit again. The family returned home safely with a
We'll
new
come
friend
back.
and many new English words. They learned that kindness, courage, and learning together make every adventure unforgettable.